Energy availability is defined as energy intake minus exercise energy expenditure. So basically, what you eat minus what you expend during exercise. In order to maintain an adequate energy level, one must consume enough calories in their diet. There are 4 ways to become energy deficient. Inadvertent undereating, which means you are not purposefully trying to undereat. Disordered eating, meaning you are consciously trying to restrict your calories. Intentional weight loss, meaning you are trying to lose weight and have no mental health side effects. Or you have a clinical eating disorder like anorexia or bulimia nervosa. The most severe way to become energy deficient is via a clinical eating disorder. If this is the case, one should seek help from a mental health care practitioner. All of these issues stem from how much food you are eating in a day. Exercise itself has nothing to do with the triad. As long as you are consuming enough calories to compensate for the amount you are exercising, you should be good to go.